Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. We are at book number 5 of the Creative Book Club. So I always start out by journaling about the book. I have no idea what it's going to be. I'm going to read the back of it though as you watch me color in these little rectangles I'm making here. And it says, this is The Orphanage by the Lake, and it's written by Daniel G. Miller. And it says, Hazel wants a new life. She's 30 years old, single, and her private investigation business is months away from folding. Her luck takes a turn when Madeline Hemsley, a mysterious socialite, pays Hazel a visit with an offer too enticing to resist. An orphan girl has disappeared from a children's home, the Orphanage by the Lake, as the locals call it, and Madeline wants Hazel to find her. At first glance, it appears to be a standard runaway case, but as Hazel plunges into the investigation, she finds signs of something more unexplained: bloodstains, cryptic symbols, sinister figures shadowing her every move. The more she digs, the more she realizes that the Orphanage by the Lake holds terrifying secrets, and even worse, so does Madeline. So it sounds like a really good mystery book. And looking at the cover of it, I mean, it's obvious that this Orphanage by the Lake is going to be a pretty big play in the story. So I thought it'd be really great to make a stamp of the Orphanage by the Lake there and kind of do like is it a Jackson Pollock type of, different versions of the same stamp. And then when I made my little stamp and I put it down, it was a fail. And I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I thought, well, maybe my paper was too stiff, because in theory, putting hot glue, that it stands up and it should work pretty good. So I tried to soften up the paper a bit and gave it a good try, and nothing. It did not work out. So I tried a different color. I thought, well, maybe it's just not standing out against the pink. So I did a red on the blue, and again, nothing. Yellow didn't work, and that definitely did not work. So I thought, well, I didn't want to rip out the page. I didn't want to just cover it. So I didn't want to give up. So I tried just a regular, copy paper, and it worked a lot better. And I was just going to do each one. I actually mixed up the colors as I was doing it, but I redid each one using this copy paper, coloring with my highlighter, and then printing it, and then taping it down. So of course it didn't work completely well, so I used my pen there just to outline each house. But sometimes you have these like grand ideas of what you want to do, and just don't turn out exactly as you hope. But it's still fun and a great experiment to go through, and I learned from it. So hopefully reading this book, I'll learn from it too, and I hope that you read along with me, and then check back next week and we'll do a craft together about the book. Thank you so much for watching.